Now the melons, I should be harvesting them within a couple of weeks, see what they taste like, and I should do another video on these melons. The mistake I done is I put 2 into this small pot. Now because I put 2 into this small pot, they didn't grow as big as I was expected, so I should have put only 1. But next time I would put 1 in a bigger pot so it gets more nourishment. I'm learning all the time, but like I said, I like a quality rather than quantity. Right, today I'm going to show you how to pollinate the melons. Now I've got quite a few female ones, as you can see. This one is a female because you can tell by the bulge at the bottom. It's got a big fat bulge at the bottom. So is these ones here, as you can see. Now this one here, he hasn't got the bulge, so that is the male. See, he hasn't got no bulge. So what I do, I take the petals off gently, and you've got the male in there. And just get your female and just rub it in there gently, like so. Just rub it gently. Let's see if I can find another one. Here's another male here. There's another male. Or you can open it up like this. Just press the petals down gently like that. Get your female. And every day come and check it, see if the female opened up the flower, and just pollinate it with the male. If you see any suckers, just pull him out. Like that one there. Just pull it out. But the plant is very, very delicate. Just be careful, otherwise it will snap. Right, you need to water this every night or first thing in the morning, and give it a good feed once a week. I prefer farmyard manure or chicken manure, but now and then give it a bit of fish blood and bone, and watch it grow. Like I said, be careful so you don't snap the plant. And here is the watermelon I'm growing. I should do a video of that very soon. I just started up here to train it. Should have a watermelon here. See? Actually, it's got a couple of watermelons on this. There's one growing there. Here we are. There's another one there. It's exactly the same principle. It's got male and female flower, and just keep an eye on it and pollinate it. Best feed for these is farmyard manure. If you see my video How to Grow Melons part 1, I was trying to grow them vertically, but in theory, this is my theory, it's not going to help because the nourishment is trying to go upwards, and it's struggling. So what I thought, I'll try it, do it horizontally like the way they grow it in the big fields. Now obviously that method is proven, So if I laid it like this, I would see the result within a couple of weeks if this works. But like I said, growing it vertically is going to struggle the plant, pushing that nourishment all the way up to the top, rather than when it slide down or going sideways, the nourishment will be pushed up to the fruits quicker. I say I should put another video up within a couple of weeks, see how these getting on.